Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing fine. In this situation, when people are anxious, what will happen next? Let me introduce this beautiful and exciting song for you, Birds and Flowers by Jon Althoff, which tells us not to worry about things and see how God takes care of them. Similarly, He will take care of us. So enjoy this beautiful song.
Look at the birds and the flowers. They do not worry for hours, but the God knows and sees, gives them everything. Look at the birds and the flowers. They do not worry for hours, but the God knows and sees, gives them everything. Do not be anxious. Our Father knows just what we need. Do not be worried. He will take care of everything, so we can trust Him. Seek His kingdom first. Oh, how He loves us more than the flowers and the birds. Whoa, more than the flowers and the birds. Whoa. Birds and the flowers, they do not worry for hours, but the God knows and sees, gives them everything. Look at the birds and the flowers, they do not worry for hours, but the God knows and sees, gives them everything. Do not be anxious. Our Father knows just what we need. Do not be worried. He will take care of everything, so we can trust Him. Seek His kingdom first. Oh, how He loves us more than the flowers and the birds. Whoa, more than the flowers and the birds. Whoa, more
Isn't
than
it? It's
the
a beautiful
flowers
song.
and the birds.
Sing along and make sure that you sing this song with your family and share as much as you can. Backing track is given below in the link, so use the backing track if you want to practice again. So enjoy, have a blessed day ahead. God bless you.